Retaining walls done right are a thing of beauty and they're timeless. These are decades old, they're stone, they're laid flat, they have a good batter back on them, and behind them are beautiful berms planted completely with native plants. People think native plants belong in the prairie or in the woods. People who want the natives in town in an urban environment could use this as an example of how you can do those combinations, soften the rock, still use the wall as a seating area, a perching area, a place to make a transition from the beautifully managed turf that is basically the ground cover in this area, and then give you all of that interest of form, attract wildlife, bring the birds in, color during all the seasons, spill over the top of the wall, stand on top of the wall, give you all of those beautiful elements of the prairie looking like it belongs. One of the ways retaining walls are built poorly is they are too straight. If they are built out of materials that are not natural materials, they can still look okay, but then that softening is really important. And in this case, of course, what they also do is they help manage the drainage. This is a really simple place to actually be able to manage this entire environment and make it a thing of beauty and function.